Hello, I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management. Today we are discussing about the entrepreneur concept. Entrepreneurship. In that we have to discuss about the entrepreneur concept. One thing is to be there, what is entrepreneur and what is entrepreneurship. Basically, entrepreneur is a word derived from a French word. French. What is French? That is entrepreneury. Entrepreneur. What is the meaning? The entrepreneur meaning is to understand, undertake. So generally we treat the word known as undertake. We have to do certain things by means of creativity, by means of innovation. The things are maybe different things. So the term entrepreneur was applied to the leaders of military expeditions in the earlier 16th century. Basically, the entrepreneurship development, there's a lot of concepts to be there, which we use in day-to-day practices and day-to-day new developmental of industries. So, as an entrepreneur, one thing is Mr. Richard, he is telling some definition is to be there according to that. He has told that entrepreneur is an agent who buys factors of production at certain prices in order to combine them into a product with a view to selling it all uncertain prices in future. Simply, what the thing is to be, we have to take up two things. We have to produce a product, then with the values of A plus certain things others, we have to develop some product, B, and then we will provide this product to someone who is a consumer like C. So this is like a process of entrepreneurship where we used to starting either the assimilating, either the production, either the new innovation, either the new creativity, either the new judgment. So in that values we have to this type of things. So and the person who do this type of process, that is entrepreneurship process, it is known as a entrepreneur. So in entrepreneur, this is the person, and entrepreneurship like a work or process. So an entrepreneur is the economic agent who unites all means of production, the labor forces of the one and the capital of land of the others, and who finds in the value of products. His results from their employment, reconstitution of the entire capital and the utilizes and the value of the wages, the interest and the rent which he pays, as well as profit belonging to him. This is the prime things to be there. So generally, if you can get down, the entrepreneur is a process. We will discuss later on certain things to be there. But from where this concept entrepreneurship come down, we will discuss accordingly. The main thing, हर आदमी के अंदर कुछ करने की प्रेरणा होती है. उसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं उद्यमी उत्प्रेरणा. उद्यमी उत्प्रेरणा. It is basically what is it? Motivation कह सकते हैं. We can just aim it. But whatever the things, from there this motivation come down. Motivation. This may be come down as per AI. What is AI? Achievement imaginary. कुछ करने की प्रेरणा. So, until unless there are a lot of person was there, but everyone cannot become an entrepreneur. There are only few person who has this type of kira, we can say, or this is the genetic cloning or whatever. So this, if that character was there, achievement imaginary, कुछ करने की प्रेरणा, then we can say down कि हाँ, this is the right choices to be there. We can become an entrepreneur. And entrepreneur is what? Entrepreneur work for self, then the associated person, or then first society. So three tasks was there of the entrepreneur. Now, for the entrepreneur, because first we will discuss about the entrepreneur today. So in the entrepreneur, there is a different types of entrepreneur. types of entrepreneur. types. Once again, repeated the things. What is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a process entrepreneur is a person who want to do something for his own, for his surroundings, and as well as whatever the person associated with them, by values of innovation or something creativity was there. So now we have discussed about the types of entrepreneurs. There is a lot of type of entrepreneurs. We can say that. Number one, innovative entrepreneur. Innovative entrepreneur. What type of this? Innovative entrepreneurs are motivated by the ideas of doing something new. Innovate, new idea creation. They welcome the advancement in science, technology and research fields. They make commercial use of inventions and introduce new products which are not used by the customer earlier, or they may use some old version was there, like increasing price of petrol, a diesel, and they're reducing supplies, motivate them to launch LPG. LPG becomes now the CNG. CNG is like a water. Now we are seeing a lot of ad into television and even this other social medias that someone is trying for air vehicles. They have to compress the air, use the things, and then accordingly they use that as innovations. So these are basically the innovative entrepreneurs. The life is not much more, but innovation is basically creativity. By creativity, they have developed a new scientific development was there, and then they have developed a new product was there. Then, imitative entrepreneur. Imitative. Duplicate जिसको बोलते हैं centrally. So, imitative. The tendency of imitative entrepreneur is just reverse of the innovative entrepreneur. They do not innovate, but imitate the products and policies of innovative entrepreneurs functioning in developed countries. Imitative. Have you listened now? When we have to go for the market, if you have to look out. So nowadays is हम लोग को चोरी का बहुत डर होता है, तो क्या करते हैं, काफी लोग हम लोग सोना चांदी ये लोग यूज करते हैं, पहनते हैं, और व्हाटएवर जो यूज करते हैं, तो जब बाहर निकलते हैं या घर के बाहर तो हम लोग डुप्लीकेट पहन लेते हैं जो लुक लाइक द gold and silver, but that is not the gold and silver. If any incident is to be taken place and it happened, no loss can be carried out. So imitate. That's why whatever the jewelry, you have to go to the field of market, you just imitative jewelries. So imitative world was come down and very successfully utilized in that particular gems and jewelry section was there. So imitative jewelries like that is. So imitative is to be because it is to be in underdeveloped or the developing countries, this thing happens very well. Because we have not that type of amount, हमें दिखना भी अच्छा है, लेकिन पैसा भी नहीं है हमारे पास. Like it's different brands to be there. If we want to like Adidas, we have to wear it, or we have not got Adidas is to be there. So what if we just purchase the same look, same fashion, same designing, wear the things, Adidas shoes. Looking, wow, this is the Adidas was there. So our status symbol can be increased, but what were the real things to be there, we know the things to be. But it's have a very good market, or this is the very good. And everything is to be, we have to show down, and every will, whatever the things, सब कुछ बता के हम करते हैं, तो कोई हम use नहीं करते हैं. So this is the main thing, because we are the imitating things, we are doing so things. So the main thing was there. Now the thing is Fabian entrepreneurs. Fabian. What is that? These entrepreneurs take great precautions and area for suspicious mind in experimenting any change in their enterprises. They conduct the business in a routine manner and are ready to change only when they feel that failure to change would affect their positions. They do not welcome the changes. Fabian. They are lazy and indifferent towards the enterprises. They have moderate ambitious. They are happy in carrying on their family business in a traditional manner. They are not prepared to expand or change their business. Hindustan Motors is the live example like Fabian. They never want to change the process. They want whatever the things is to be coming down from the last so many years, we have to carry on. We don't want to change the concept. Now the drone entrepreneur. Drone. These entrepreneurs stick up to the old values, customs and traditions. They are not willing to effect changes in their enterprises rather than oppose such changes. They blindly follow the traditional methods of the business even when it causes loss to them. We will do whatever the things to be coming down from the last things to be there. Their attitude affects the profitability, competitiveness and productivity of the enterprises. Then first generation entrepreneur. नाम में ही रखा है सब कुछ इसमें. First generation. If in my family no one is to be go for the business is to be there, I am the first one who want to establish something by the value of creativity or innovation, and we want to develop some new innovative company or something. So what I am the first generation entrepreneur. These entrepreneurs have no entrepreneurial background basically. They do not inherit entrepreneurship from their earlier generations. They are the first generation entrepreneurs in their family, like Dhirubhai Ambani. A lot of in Lucknow, a lot of person is to be there. Some brothers is to be there. Or even though whatever our we can say around our honorable chairman, the late chairman was there, Manniya Akhilesh Das sir. He is also an entrepreneur over there. Because as per my knowledge, maybe I am wrong, but as per my knowledge is to be there, he established this unit Babu BBD in a very first phase to be there. So like he is the first generation entrepreneur was there. Because he established the academic wing firstly. And then accordingly we have to develop the traditions to be there. Then 6. Entrepreneurs by inheritance. By inheritance. वंशानुगत समय के साथ साथ जीने ये एरिया है. My forefather was doing this, I will also do. My siblings will also do things. These, so some persons become entrepreneurs by inheritance. They inherited entrepreneurship from their earlier generations, like J.R.D. Tata. The main thing. Like not the J.R.D. Tata, we can say Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata inherited by the J.R.D. Tata. This type. So they have knowledge, they have skills, they have family background, they have, we can say they have the business in their blood. Like in Gujarat, someone told ki whatever, if I am doing this business is to be there, so my son, daughter, whatever, they will also follow the same positions to be there. They will stabilize their own units was there. So this type of entrepreneurial culture is inherited in them from the childhood. Since they belong to the affiliate family, they are able to secure higher education and advanced training also. That's why in this entrepreneurship by inheritance, everyone is to be fully literate. Fully literate means fully technical knowledge, fully expertise, fully knowledge, fully skills, whatever so. Then they enter in the business to be there. So this type of business is to be there. But there's certain disadvantages also, like in this tradition is to be there. That is create monopoly in the business, and the economic power is concentrated in few hands with this. See, now urban entrepreneur. Urban entrepreneur. These entrepreneurs come from the urban areas. They get ample opportunities of higher education in cities. The environment in cities is favorable to entrepreneurial growth. In urban areas, there is a vast scope of starting enterprise in various fields like adequate infrastructural availability of the skilled labor, this type of thing. So urban means shahri. So what there are certain things आप देखते हैं, there are a lot of developments to be there. This type of entrepreneur who started the things maybe. Then rural entrepreneur. Rural. This type of entrepreneur lies in rural areas. These entrepreneurs own enterprises in rural areas. They are engaged mostly in traditional businesses, agriculture and the village industries. They utilize the natural resources available in local places and manufacture the goods required by the society. They can also provide services required. Then foreign entrepreneurs. Foreign is this. Foreign entrepreneurs. What is a foreign entrepreneur? These are the entrepreneurs going out of their country and those coming from abroad in our country are called as foreign entrepreneurs. Like Suzuki company of Japan, manufacturing motor vehicles in India. The world famous Indian hoteliers are less seen in housing industries, require heavy manual works. They are less mobile as compared to male entrepreneurs. So the main things to be there, like foreign entrepreneurs, they would go down, they start their business, either someone is to be coming down from the outside, they have to stabilize the business here. Then individual entrepreneurs. Individual. Here you can say down, every entrepreneur is individual. But we have a complete change to be there. We, our surroundings, our society. So in the individuals, these entrepreneurs start an enterprise by investing own funds and manage it themselves. Certain things to be there. They have not utilized to be there. A lot of things you have to just see in local places also, you can village also, in urban areas also, innovative entrepreneurship, this sort of thing. So they have to start their own business by themselves only. If required, they employ very few employees, they are the sole operators. You can say like proprietorship to shop or something, this type of things, usually. Now, this is institutional entrepreneurs. Institutional entrepreneurs means these are the entrepreneurs because number of individuals are coming in the market is what's there. They are together from a partnership company. So like proprietorship is known as individuals and joint ventures, partnership, this type of entrepreneur, if they have to stabilize the things, they are known as institutional entrepreneurs. When a number of individuals come together and form a partnership company or cooperative society to carry on other businesses, they are called institutional entrepreneurs. In entrepreneurship, the resources, knowledge and skills of a large number of individuals are pulled together and then they have to utilize in their new development, new enterprise development, new entrepreneurship development was there. Then technological, 12th, technological. These are the technocrats we can say. So they are high-tech entrepreneurs. They have acquired advanced technical knowledge and industrial using this knowledge by business resources like software engineers. This type, they have to establish this type of unit was there. And the software you have to listen the word of the Vitthal Kamath. He has opened hotels in the foreign industries too. These entrepreneurs want to establish their presence in the world, exploit business opportunities in foreign countries also. Then male entrepreneurs and the female entrepreneurs. Male and female entrepreneurs. Male entrepreneurs, on the basis of gender differences, the entrepreneurs may be classified in males and the females. Male are dominated societies to be there, and if any unit is started, it's to be by the male person individually, that unit is known as a male entrepreneurs. And what the females, a lot of units to be running and stabilized by the females, like Shahnaz Hussain, VLCC, Luthra, or a lot of fashion houses to be carried out. In Logone, they have to this type of thing. So in this unit, so male and female, particularly whatever the things is to be, the types, reason, we can say types on the basis of whatever so entrepreneurs do. Every entrepreneur has something is to be common like risk. Risk. If you are ready to take risk, quantitative, it's not a पूरा जिंदगी ही हमने रिस्क पे लगा दी नहीं. If you have ready to take risk with your capacity, right? With your capacity, with the value of innovation, then you can become as an entrepreneur. So if we are just things we have to just look after, how we have to compile the things, so you can just see out that entrepreneurship is a process. Entrepreneur is a person who develop by certain values, certain emotions to be there, by the means of they have developed this type of. So in this type of business, in this type of environment, in this type of entrepreneurship, maybe you are innovative, maybe you are a male entrepreneur, you are a female entrepreneur, but there's certain things in 3 areas you have to look after. First, you have to look after yourself. Second, you have to look after whatever the associated person with you, because they are totally dependent on you. And the third, you have to look after the society also by the means of risk taking. If you are not ready to take risk, you cannot become as an entrepreneur, you cannot develop yourself as an entrepreneurship. Because as and when the entrepreneurship process to be carried out, day to day business is to be there, we have to look after these activities. So in this entrepreneurship process, we have discussed certain things also, because whenever we have to look after the things, if you have to see all the matters is to be there, because a lot of things are already carried out in the field of entrepreneurship development. Because whatever the entrepreneurship development, entrepreneurship concern, there are certain things is to be there. Because whenever we have already discussed, like if the person is already academic background was there like that, he can become as a technocrat. Occupational background, if their family background was there, accordingly we have to carry on. But besides these, there are certain factors also who can develop entrepreneurship, like independence, challenges. These are the basically psychological factors. अगर आपको फैमिली से, अपने इनहेरिटेंस से, जगह जगह से कुछ कैरेक्टर्स आपके पास आए हैं, तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन बी कैरी ऑन. एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज टू बी देयर, लाइक इंडिपेंडेंस, चैलेंज, ड्रीम और डिजायर. इफ यू हैव फैमिली बैकग्राउंड वाज देयर, मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी यू हैव टू गॉट इट, और आइडिया ड्रिवन, need for achievements, profit making, this type of characters you have, so definitely you will get down the things. Even nowadays, because our prime minister is getting that everyone should become as an entrepreneur, they have developed their own bread, mass goods to be there. So accordingly, so like political environment is like that, economic environment favors you, so definitely you will can do anything to be there. Even in your job, in the legal environment also credit to you, definitely display vital role was there. Because if it's the political external factors, because internal factors we already discussed, and the external factors like environmental factors, intrinsic and extrinsic both, financial, institutional, cultural, like that type of factors, and political factors, technological, legal, this type of things may be developed is the economic environment. Because for the entrepreneurship, certain we have already discussed, the concept was there, we have to be what was the entrepreneurship, how the things is to be carried out, and how the innovative idea by which an entrepreneur should be carried out. Maybe possible you are in such a way, there are certain 40, 50, like these are the general things was there. Maybe possible you just think in which category you are. If your certain AI character was there, achievement imaginary, you want to do something for you, for your surroundings, or for your society, definitely you can look after the entrepreneurship. So today I am just concluding the session is to be there, because we have discussed each and every profit is to be there, each and every idea was there, in which we have discussed the entrepreneurial concept was there.